expert always unclogs it. Always test it. We're running lots of water. Everything goes down and everything is good. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.